The streets of Benin City burst for jollification as Edo State Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo lead motorcade waka around the city after appeal court confirmed say na him win the governorship election. The governor come here and say consistent defeat of PDP na the reason for continued jollification. Governor Okpebholo with him Deputy Right Honorable Idahosa, party leaders, market women and youth groups follow enter streets of Benin to celebrate the court victory. For his speech, Governor Okpebholo come here and say them don't defeat PDP for election, for tribunal and now for appeal court, and say them go still defeat them again if them go Supreme Court. The governor come also to raise salute to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for his support, say Edo State don't they enjoy better development. According to Ram, the first flyover they under construction and 2 others go soon start.
They are making us to celebrate every day. We have celebrated the first one, second one. This is the 3rd one. If they are not tired, we will celebrate the 4th one. And we will crown it up with 2027. It is a door bill. 2027 is a door bill. We want to thank Edo people. We want to thank Edo people for shining their eyes. According to Baba, he said, follow who no road. We have chosen to follow Asewaju. Now the man no road. That is why we are experiencing development in Edo State today. Let's go to Okpebholo slope, Okpebholo hill. That flyover there, the first flyover in Edo State. Edo people are happy. Tinubu is our father. Confirm. This is the time for Edo people to tell you thank you. Edo people, when we look up, we see our father Tinubu. He not let us down. He tell everybody, Edo must develop. That is what Tinubu asks for. Development of Edo State. That is what Tinubu is looking for.
Governor Okpebholo constitutional mouth give opposition leaders say those way they try hijack the people's mandate they cry now and they form coalition where for in words no go stand.
All the money they have stolen, they are taking now to court. They are looking for judges to buy, they cannot find. Why? Judiciary said we cannot take bribe from anybody. They are going now to blackmail them. We don't even have problem here. Those people that want to steal Edo money, want to steal Edo mandate, now then they cry and say they steal their mandate. Which mandate they get? They get mandate for here. They get mandate for here. Person where say no get shishi. You no get shishi, you go feel Nigeria. Nigeria get billions, trillions, can't it? Somebody will not get shishi. He said now Nigeria he want to rule. Is it possible? That one is dead on our rival. They no fit manage PDP. PDP they no fit manage them. Today they say now SDP. Next tomorrow they say now Labour. The other day they say now AD. Party day there. Party day there. They have stolen Edo money. They still want to continue. Is it possible? That is why they said our mumu don't do. Our mumu never do. So, Edo State, there is nothing for PDP. I told our people yesterday, I said, if S1 is looking for amnesty, here we will grant him political amnesty. I want to let you know that the turn of PDP, their time is over. Under my watch, There will be no PDP in this town. Una want Papa APC pikin? Papa APC pikin una want them? Una want Papa APC pikin? That deceive whether they deceive us, carry our money go somewhere, una like am? Okay, all the road what we dey do now? All the school what we dey do now? All the healthcare what we dey do now? All the money where we want keep market women make dem take trade now. Where this money dey come from? Before they say the money no dey. MOU no dey I do again. We no want MOU and now we no want them. Fake consultants, we no want them and now we don't use them. So things are moving.
As them dey jolly, Governor Okpebholo come also present brand new official vehicles give all the 18 local government council chemos them for the state.
Senator, Monday, Onosejeli, Ameya, Ofasoelu, Okpebholo, the executive governor of the state, the executive governor, Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa, the Omon Mare Yuban of Edo State. Mr. Governor, we are very happy to have you in our ministry today. Our ministry is responsible for the supervision of the executive government in Edo State. And of course, all chiefs matters in Edo State and all community issues.
Deputy Chief of Staff Honorable Payo Salile and APC chieftain Comrade Osakpoma Erio, where people sabi as no more less, come talk say the court victory na well-deserved one and a product of correct groundwork wey dem don do before election. The Chief Executive of Edo State Hospital Management Agency, Dr. Nessie Tenebe, come praise the governor for giving official vehicles to council chairmen, say it different from the past government where it give, but later come collect the cars back.
We've won 2 cases now. We are going to win again. The foundation has been laid. The foundation for victory has been laid. And we are going to win again. They had a bad case from the very beginning, a big issue. Their case was bad. And they are deceiving themselves and deceiving their followers. That's what they are doing. Just giving them false hope. That's what they are doing. Just so that they can remain there. Then we are telling the remnant of PDP to come down. Because they are wasting their time. In Supreme Court, we are going to defeat them. You can see what happened at the Appeal Court. They were even more defeated. You see, the BVAT that they admitted at the lower court, at the Appeal Court, it was completely rejected. And they even blamed the tribunal for even accepting those BVAT machines. So you can see that their cases are getting worse every day. And when we get to the Supreme Court, this time they are going to be given a heavy fine for wasting the court time because they have a bad case. We are preparing for 2027, and by the grace of God, our governor is doing very well, and the people of the state are happy with him, and they are happy with our programs, and they are happy with all the projects that are being done. In fact, they don't want any change; they just want it to continue, and by the grace of God, it's going to continue.
We will be expecting the victory because we have done so well. During the time of the election, we put our machineries in place to make sure the governor succeed. And the victory is not just today. The victory started from the day of the election. And that is why we are still celebrating it today. And the issue in the Court of Appeal is something that we all have to celebrate because we have worked so hard for it. You don't expect what we have worked so hard for to now push it to a PDP that was not on ground in the state. PDP was never on Edo State. If you can remember, it was an APC governor that moved from APC to PDP. There was never a time PDP have ever won this state. Never a time PDP have ever won this state. Today we are all happy for Monday Senator Okpebholo, which is the executive governor of Edo State. And we'll continue to work with him. And we are expecting more victory to come because we know that the next step they are going to take is Supreme Court. It's the same judgment that we got today that we are still going to expect in the Supreme Court.
It is actually a victory well deserved. It is well deserved. We all expected that it was going to be the same because We choose who we want. Edo people choose who they want. APC choose who is the best for Edo State, and that is our governor, Senator Monday Okpebholo. So it is a victory well deserved, and we expected it to be so, because throughout the reign of PDP in Edo State, if you look at everywhere in Edo State, there is no achievement. There is no achievement. And why is the governor here today? Because he's here to commission the vehicles purchased for all the local government chairmen. If we can remember, during the time of Obaseki, this same thing was done. But after this, what happened? All the vehicles were taken back. He didn't give a single vehicle to any local government chairman. But we all believe in this our current governor, Governor Monday Okpebholo. He's going to do the best. He purchased them, and all the local governments are here now. Everybody is walking away today with a vehicle.
With all the court wins, APC don yarn say dis victory not be only legal win, but say na sign for more transformation wey go land for Edo State. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ekata Ojesili, TMC News.